It's snowing a little bit right now, but today we've got the log arch. All right, let's do this. Here. Gloves. I mean, I've got at least 2 of them that I've cut. So here's the thing. Well built, some car tires, and that's a cool little thing here. It's a choker. This thing. All right. Cool. So I was able to just back right around it. That's awesome. This one I've cut it down there, so it's that's so cool. And this thing is so nice. Let's see. Put it through. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'll see if I can pull that. If I need to cut it down. I have to cut a couple things. And that jacket, I always keep a pair of safety glasses. Okay, that should do. Hopefully. I mean, half can still be heavy. Pardon. Twisting. Okay, try. Did it. Nice. Just enough to lift the front. Anyway, just want to show you that's part of the process of milling, whatever you're gonna do with it, whether you're gonna build something, whether you're gonna create something. So yeah, just wanted to share this and hope you have a good day.